Hello, welcome back, it's Louise. Today I'm doing the 500 subscriber giveaway. I have 5 little bundles here for 5 winners, and I'll go through them one by one. They're random, so it's not like first prize, second prize, blah blah blah. It'll just be whichever I pick when I'm packing, if you know what I mean. Right, so this is the first little bundle. So it's a little pack of stamps that I had in my shop. This one that we made, the folio, you can find the video for that if you haven't seen it. I'll link it down below, and you can buy it in the shop as well if you want. And this little autumn, it says autumn on it, but that's probably the only reference to autumn. This is the one I've done with the crossover open spine that's not bound in, if you know what I mean, to the signatures. The signatures are bound separate. And it's just, I think I have a flip through on my Instagram, I think. That's a few pumpkins and autumn colours. But you can always, change it. Thanksgiving there. Right, so that's the first little bundle. Put that to the side. There's another bundle here. That's got a little another little folio thing. There's a flip through on my Instagram for this one as well. And this was made using all of Kate Crafts designs. And this is just a little art journaling type thing I just chucked together. But you can always gesso over it and do your own thing. So this is just, the pages are just covered or painted on. It's just a base really to do whatever you want. And a set of stamps with that one. And this one, I think I've done this a while ago. And this is another just little, it's like a thin journal. It's got five whole pamphlet stitch there. And it's really just another kind of blankish journal to just do what you want with. Some bits inside there. Go. Right, so that's that little bundle. Try and keep these together so I know what I'm doing. This is like a mini journal, but it's thick. It's got 3 signatures. Some of the pages have got little bits on them, and the rest are, they've all got something, whether it's a stenciling or paper or colour or something on it. It's another base really to do whatever you want. And another little art journal style. It's papers to do whatever you want with. Just gives you a starting point, really. Gives you ideas what you would like to do on the page. And another set of stamps. Put that up there. This little one. I made this with the Victoria Designs freebies. It's a library thing. A couple of cards in there. There's more cards in there and in there. More fingers and thumbs. And in the bottom here, it's got the cards for you. Folders, that's what they call them. File folders. That's this that way. And that's the back. A little set of stamps, and this was the Christmas folio that I made. It's got the paper buttons on it. Just all the tags in there. And that's the back. And that's available in the shop as well. That's that little bundle. And the last one is, this is a mini folio. The same as the big flowers one. And this is that one printed two to a page. And I made this little one with it, pockets, and I've done it different. It's got pockets in the back and a bit the big pockets in the back as well. Otherwise I'll lose it and then I'll forget what I'm doing. Another set of stamps. Oh, what's that one? And this was a scrappy journal that we made. There's a video for that one as well. And that was just making it using everything from the scraps. Oh, yeah, it's got tags and that in there. Oh. Some pockets and space for writing and put your own stamp on it. Some paper bag that's quite thin. Some envelopes. Pockets. A little flip. Got some cards. Tucks. It's gorgeous. That's another one now. And that's that one. So that is the 5 bundles for the away. Let's get this other one. I can't fit them all on. That's the 5. And for the giveaway, I would like you to like this video, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and comment. And what I would want to know is, what is your favourite style of journal? Whether it's vintage, colourful, animal, whatever. I'd just like to know. And then we'll do a drawing. How long will we do this for? 2 weeks. Let's write that down. I'll keep it running for 2 weeks. So that will end on about the 14th of December, say. 13th or 14th of December. And then we'll do the drawing and I can get them posted out to everybody. And it's open worldwide. So everybody can enter. So there's nobody left out. So 5 gifts. And I'll probably bung some other bits in the box or the bag or whatever I'm sending. While I'm sending stuff, as just as an added bonus. But so thanks very much for everybody subscribing and joining me, and excuse me, and for the people that comment and just come along for the ride, really. And hopefully we get many more and we can do more videos and I can come out my shell a bit more. So thanks very much for everybody and good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.